Before embarking on your hiking adventure, wearing appropriate gear is crucial. Start with sturdy hiking boots that provide support and traction, allowing you to navigate rocky trails with confidence. Breathable clothing made of moisture-wicking materials will keep you comfortable by regulating your body temperature. A lightweight jacket can be invaluable in case of sudden weather changes, ensuring you stay dry and warm during unexpected showers or windy conditions. Don't forget essentials such as a hat and sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun's harsh rays while enjoying the breathtaking views around you. Packing the necessary equipment is equally important in setting the stage for a safe and enjoyable hike. A reliable backpack is your best friend, providing ample space and comfort for all your gear. Choose a pack with a hydration reservoir to stay hands-free while drinking water. Include a map and compass or a GPS device to help you navigate unfamiliar trails. A first aid kit can be a lifesaver, ensuring you can treat minor injuries promptly. Additionally, a multi-tool can assist in various scenarios, from food preparation to minor repairs. The better prepared you are, the more you can focus on the beauty of nature. Food and water are your fuel, critical to maintaining your energy throughout the hike. Pack a generous amount of water, with about 2 liters recommended for a day hike. Ensuring you stay hydrated, consider bringing electrolytes to replenish lost minerals. For food, opt for lightweight and nutritious options like energy bars, nuts, and dried fruits that can be easily carried and consumed. Prepare a hearty sandwich or wrap packed with protein and fiber for a satisfying lunch break. Remember, taking time to eat during breaks can elevate your energy levels and enhance your hiking experience. In essence, the combination of appropriate gear, necessary equipment, and sufficient food and water will set the foundation for a successful hike. Each element plays a vital role not only in safety, but also in enjoying the journey. Exploring the splendor of nature with the right preparation can transform an ordinary hike into an extraordinary adventure. As you venture into the great outdoors, the thrill of each step awaits, filled with vibrant landscapes that will rejuvenate your spirit and create cherished memories. So gear up, pack wisely, and let the adventure unfold with every trail you traverse.